Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, we will explore how to make inner section detail in just one time in AutoCAD. Automatic door, window, and auto leveling also. Yes, this is possible. You can make complete section detail in just one time in AutoCAD. This will save you a lot of time and effort. So first thing first, we have to install YQArch plugin in AutoCAD. Let this drag and drop here. So this way you can simply install YQArch plugin in AutoCAD. YQArch plugin additional software that speed up your AutoCAD. Okay, if you want to explore comprehensive course, each and every command, around 500 commands in YQArch plugin, you can check out the link below. So the section line we have here. Okay, what I want to extract this direction, detail, everything, door, window, wall, whatever we are getting. Okay, so the challenge is our wall blocking. So this wall, this area, let this little open to make inner boundary. Okay, you got my point? Now we are getting inner boundary full open. So wherever if you have wall crossing, that section line you have to make that area little open to get inner boundary. Type LM command, pick up in room, single elevation, architectural parameter, story height 360, board thickness 25, let this 20, beam height 60 unit. These architectural parameters you can customize as per your requirement. Okay, ceiling height 280 we are getting, skirting height 15, wall thickness 20 centimeter we are getting. Okay, window height we have placed 120, window offset 120, door height 240. Okay, just click OK. What you do, click inside. Okay, see, when you will click inside, it asks you direction, which direction you want. I want this direction. Okay, and click here to get your complete section detail in just one time. As you see here, you are getting part plan also. Now story not finished, just wait for a while. We'll provide automatic door elevation, ADE, select your rectangle and place your door here. Same for window elevation, WDE, transom height, let this 30 unit, rectangle to windows and select your rectangle. You will get your window elevation. Same here also, let this none and rectangle to window and select this two rectangle and hit enter. Now we want to provide leveling. Okay, let this first point here and one here. Now we will provide auto leveling. Type BG and press O to get initial level 00. Okay, and click over the points 1 and 2 here and here. Total height 380, which is 3.8 meter. You should take dimension. You will get perfect dimension 380. So this way you can speedily make your inner section detail faster. To proceed this method, must install YQArch plugin. Okay, if you want to explore comprehensive course YQArch plugin more than 12 hours along with installation file, practice drawing, you can check out the course. You will get amazing insights over there. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.